Okay, Dukewheatly here with another how-to video, and in this one we're going to be creating buttons. Now there's quite a few buttons in the GraphPack selection or collection, and but we're going to show you how to just do one from scratch. So let's go up here and hit Control N for new, and we've got 200 by 200. Let's hit OK, and now let's go over and pick the rectangle tool. And when we do that, we want to go down and make sure that rounded corners is checked, and we're going to type 15 in here. We already have 15 typed in, but we'll do it again. Type in 15, and we could expand it from the center if we want, but we're not going to do that. So we're just going to start here and start making a rounded rectangle. We can use the tool to adjust if we want it a little bit more to the right or to the left. We can use the rectangle tool to lengthen it, and also to make it wider if we'd like. But we're okay with that. So let's go into the paint bucket, and let's take a foreground color of red. Hit OK, and hop in here with the paint bucket, and now we've got a red buy button. It's not a buy button yet, but it will be. Let's go into text, and before we do that, let's pick a foreground. Hang on, let's go into text and pick a foreground color of white, and hit OK. For the font, let's use Seabird Heavy, and we're going to use Seabird Heavy SF Bold, and let's try size 40 pixels, and let's type in here. And we're going to type in buy now, and hit close. Go up to our move button, and of course go down and make sure that we have move the active layer, the radio button there, make sure that's activated, or we'll be moving the background around. So now we go up and move the active layer, and if you don't like it or you need a little more finer adjustment, we're going to just use the arrow keys here and show you how, once you've clicked inside with the cursor, you can now use the arrow keys, but you have to click inside first to activate it. And we can move it to the right here a little bit, move it back to the left. That's got it centered pretty well. And let's go maybe one to the left and one up here. That looks pretty good to me. Now we have a couple of icons in the GraphPack collection, and we have an arrow that we've selected, and also we have a credit card logo. So let's hit Control O and open those, and we've got those in our current project. So we're going to go first with the credit card. You can see over here this is selected. We also have our arrow, which we're going to import next, but we'll import this. So we hit open, and here's our credit card. We're going to want to reduce this. This is going to be a little bit big for our image, so let's go up to image and resize, scale image, and let's go to 140, and if we hit tab, it's going to correspondingly scale the other dimension. unless we wanted to unlink it, which we don't want to do. We would like the same aspect ratio. And so we'll hit OK for scale. Let's hit Control C to copy. And now let's activate our buy button, and we want to paste, go into the edit menu and paste as a new layer. And here it is. We got our move tool activated. Let's go ahead and move this down below, and let's move it a little bit lower and show you with the arrow keys we can move it back up here real close, a little bit to the left here, maybe up one. Got it pretty much right on the money there. Maybe one more left arrow. And now let's hit Control O again, and we'll pull in our arrow. Just double click it, and you can see we've got our arrow. That's going to be pretty much good the way it is. So we've got that activated. Let's hit Control C to copy, put it in the clipboard. Now let's activate our Buy Now button, and once again we'll go up and we'll paste as a new layer. And now we'll go ahead and move it over to the top, and we can use the arrow key and adjust that a little bit more. And you could put other icons around it if you want. This will get you started, and hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll look forward to seeing you again.